I was hanging out today alone, so of course I got in my head a little bit. There's a lot going on. I've been experiencing a lot of hardships in people's lives and loss, and then also at the same time experiencing a lot of joy. And I guess it just got me thinking about really that's kind of how life is. It's a constant intertwine of joys and hardships. So this card is kind of representative of that. I took some Oxide inks and just started layering different colors spontaneously upon one another. And then I sprayed it with some water and just kind of watched the colors intermesh together. I kept just kind of going with the flow. It's kind of like life, you know, you just keep applying those layers, making those decisions. Some are bold, some are light, some are big decisions, some are small decisions. And life just keeps on going, and you just keep on adding the color, and you keep on adding the water, and you keep on seeing how it all turns out. I guess we have to embrace our story, you know, even the hard times, even that darkness, because oftentimes in that darkness really comes the most beautiful things that we could have ever imagined. Perfect moments are not all they're cracked up to be. I think those dark moments can sometimes bring out such beautiful, beautiful events, even though they're heartbreaking. Even that journey isn't the one we necessarily want to take. Because in and amongst all of these layers and all of these decisions is a really bold outline, like this butterfly, of who we are. And everything around it and all the layers we have applied makes us even more bold and even more defined. And it's a beautiful thing. So I hope you remember to occasionally pause and reflect on the canvas that you're creating. It's a canvas of love, challenge, purpose, and also, as we live our life, there's an unseen impact that we make on one another. We continue to add to our story, and we continue to understand that beauty lies in complexity. So this is the profound beauty of life's canvas. Each of us is creating, living, and loving our story. We're inspiring a tapestry of narratives, rich with variety, depth, and color. I'm sending you all my love.